Okay, so in this chapter we're going to look at where we can find all the data in the plugin. As you can see here in the interface, we already have data streaming in. This is just for visual purposes, just to validate that we have correct data. We can also see the blend shape stream coming in. So this is a list of all the blend shapes. And if we would be streaming markers, which I'll show you how to do in another chapter, they would show up here. Now the actual data that we can use for rigging resides on the objects that we created with the model binding. So the head and the eyes can actually be used to pipe data into your own rig. And we can also find all the blend shape information by looking at the properties of the phase shift device. So with that selected, you can see all the different blend shape properties here, as well as the head position, rotation, and eye rotation again. Another way to use the data is to use Motion Builder's character faces nodes. In order to create one, we simply hit the create button, and you can see that one shows up here in the navigator. So if we select that, then we can see that it is automatically already filled with all the correct blend shape values from phase shift. And we can also see here that all the values are being updated live by the plugin. Character faces are probably one of the easier ways to rig a face in Motion Builder, so we'll actually go through and set up a full head using this method in another chapter.